You like puff puff, right? But you do not like the fact that it soaks oil. Don't worry about that, because today I'll be sharing with you how you can make puff puff with little or low oil content. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Chinedu Vincent from Salupe's Kitchen, and I upload food problem solving recipes twice every week. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. And don't forget to stick to the video, because I'll be revealing to you why your puff puff has been oily all this while. Let's go to the video. For you to make this puff puff, warm water slightly above 40 degrees C is involved. Bring out a bowl containing 250 grams of flour and quickly add sugar and salt corresponding to 3.5 tablespoons and 1/4 teaspoon respectively. Also, add half tablespoon of vanilla essence in addition to 1 full tablespoon of instant yeast powder. Then mix to combine with your spatula. Please note that the use of flavor is optional. Check your water. Ouch! Don't try this at home. Quickly and gently add your warm water such that you make a thick paste. It is important to note that the thicker your paste, then the less oil puff puff you make. That is our tip number 1. Give a quick mix with spatula. Then remove the spatula and smoothen the batter using the combination of your forefinger and your palm. Beat until all lumps and particles are properly dissolved. Then cover your batter and allow for 25 minutes to rise. This is proof or fermentation process. Your puff puff batter must not proof for more than 25 minutes using my recipe. Set your pot and oil at a medium-high heat. It is important to note that cheap and low quality oil are not eligible for this kind of puff puff because of their high oil absorption capacity during deep frying method. Can you see the consistency of our puff puff? Wow! Dip your hand in water to avoid thickening of dough in your pan. Mix again to remove all air bubbles. And gently pack some into your pan and twist your hand in such a way that your index finger and thumb is directly facing the oil. And squeeze the batter into the oil. Yes. Let's do it again. Yes. It is important to note that the heat content of your oil is indirectly proportional to the oil content of your puff puff. The lower your heat, the higher the oil content of your puff puff. Therefore, it is advisable to maintain a medium-high heat in order to achieve a low oil puff puff. But be careful not to get it burnt. Then scoop your puff puff out of the deep oil and allow to drain in a rag and cool. In summary, if you don't want an oil-soaked puff-puff, please and please do not use a low-quality oil. Do not over-rise your puff-puff dough for more than 25 to 30 minutes. And your mixture should not be watery. And also, do not deep fry with a low temperature of the oil. For these are tested and proven reasons why your puff-puff is oil soaked. Our puff is ready. Let's run a quick taste for the oil content of the puff-puff. Now you be the judge while I do the test. Okay, I've opened it. Check the serviette. You can see our serviette. Can you see the oil content of our serviette? Please, where is the oil? Where is it, please? You show me. Press it very well and divide it, open it, look, search around about it. Where is it? Please give our video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, do so. If you need an oil recommendation, let me know in the comment box, and I'll be uploading problem-solving recipes like this twice every week. Subscribe and enjoy. Bye bye.